Another tool is landscape tools. Here, you can working with landscape. First, go into the catalog and choose a landscape like this. As you can see, it has a haze and fog on it. Going to the edit in landscape, dehaze is simply remove the haze of foreground. Okay, as you can see, it's remove all of the haze, and it's make darker. Then you can go to the develop and make it brighter if you want. Other tool that you use. This isn't just dehaze. It's very simple. Or another tool for landscape is golden hour. It's warming the light. As you can see, it's warming a light. Simple and easy. Double click to reset it. Foliage enhancer. If you have an image that has lots of flower and plants, you can make them brighter, make them greener, more green on your landscape. Going to foliage enhancer and decrease the number, increase the number, make it. As you can see, we can compare these two images, and you can see we have more green on your on our image. And here you can choose any color to your green part, foliage parts. Nice. Interesting. So this is all about the foliage enhancer. You can play with this slider. For example, I make them like this, and then you can mask in them. For example, I don't want to affect this adjustment to this part of our. Or in this case, it's vice versa. Oh, I paint it. It means I just want to add these effects because I'm in the paint mode to this flower only. Or erase mode. You can erase from this part, or you can add it. We have just adjustment here, as you can see, just be masking our adjustment, our setting just to this planet, just to this part of image here, plants here. Or if you want to these flowers effect, you can paint it again. Paint. And landscape tool affecting this flower also. Let's try it. You can see. Nice. So another usage of masking is this. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.